Hi guys, Richard here from the Leather Repair Company. We get asked quite a lot of different things about different materials, to do with leather and fabrics and stuff like that as well. And we try to be as proactive as we possibly can. One of the biggest questions that we get asked, and I think one of the sort of most misunderstood products in our industry, is this here. People often ask us, how can I repair this? What type of animal has it come from? How do I fix it? How do I dye it? How do I color it? What do I do? It isn't leather. This is a man-made material. This is a fabric. It is Alcantara. Okay? Alcantara is a fabric. It was invented in Japan. It's worldwide rights. It's owned by, I believe, an Italian company. And this is Alcantara. This is not leather at all. There is no leather in here at all. None. Zilch. Zero. So what do you do with it? How do you deal with it? So Alcantara is a fake material. It's a synthetic fabric material. Steam it, shampoo it. You can even sand it if you wanted to revive that fluffy texture that it's got. Very, very, very carefully. I'd only suggest maybe doing that sort of once in its lifetime, of sanding it very, very lightly with a 280 grit paper. You can also use like a brass brush or like a suede or a nubuck brush, like a rubber eraser type thing as well, designed for sort of suede and nubuck, and just fluff those surfaces back up. But I mean, with it, predominantly with heat or steam, with that sort of side of it, you are going to resolve that part of it, fluff that material back up again, because that's all that happens. It's just grease, from hands. You get a lot of them on steering wheels, people wearing shorts and stuff like that in vehicles, bolsters getting in and out. They get very flat and very compacted, and that sort of flattens the fibers down of this synthetic fabric and really flattens it right out. So, a bit of heat, shampoo it, when I say shampoo it, spray on some like fabric cleaner and then shampoo, vacuum that fabric cleaner off. You can brush that with a soft bristle brush, like a sort of synthetic fibre. A bit like our own Tampico would be absolutely perfect for doing something like that. Obviously the Tampico is a natural fibre, or you can use something like the Bruchel, which is like a sort of synthetic fibre to represent the Tampico. So again, they're all very good sort of products to use to do that, to fluff this up, or a very, very soft sort of plastic bristle brush, but I'm in a very soft one to do that. Or just steam it, or use like a, as I say, like a magic, like not a magic eraser, but like an eraser, like what they call a rubber eraser for suede and nubuck. They're perfect. Or a very fine brass bristle brush. So anything like that. Don't forget, guys, this is not leather. This is fabric. There's so many people get confused with this. It is Alcantara. Do some research. Go on to the leather wiki site of the internet, called prorestorers.co.uk, or hop on over to leatherguides.com. You'll find it either way, and have a look. Search for Alcantara. There's a load of details on there about that will help you. It is fabric. It is not leather, so don't treat it like leather. You can't fix it with like painting it and stuff like that. It isn't possible. So head on over to the wiki site, leatherguides.com or prorestorers.co.uk. There is an information sheet there. Any technical help you need, we've got a massive technical department here that can help you. Give them an email, help@leatherrepaircompany.com. We have an array of qualified guys here to help. That's what we're here to do. Technical help you fix your problems, general public or detailers or trade people around the world. Give us a call, give us a shout. We are here to help. Thanks very much, guys. Stay safe and enjoy.